my mic is working. Test. Okay. Started artifacting on the last stream and it was not ideal. So what we're doing today is we are finishing up our Ruby gem that we started making yesterday or the day before. Basically, the requirements were to pull some data from a website and make it accessible via the command line. We decided to go to thisworldwildlife.org and get all of these animals, and then go to their pages and get all of this information here, and just make that available via command line. Here's where we got to last time. So it pulls all of those animals, and then we can go to, say, the giant panda, get some stats about them, and we get some more information about them, and here's that description, but for the panda, not the tiger, obviously. So now, all we really need to do is get our output formatted kind of nice. Like, this isn't terrible, but it's not great. I'm thinking we might do some coloring, color these attributes, maybe color the numbers. No, probably not color the numbers. I don't know, we're gonna play around with it, see what we get. Then we gotta make sure our documentation's in order and publish the gem. So for now, I was just messing around with this description. I think that's fine how it is. I'm gonna want to separate these output lines here though. So let's go to the CLI. Here are animal info. Would you like more information? Put a line break in there. Let's see how that changes. So get the tiger. Yeah, that's better. I'm also going to want to put a line break before we list the information attributes. So if they put a number, there's not really a nice place to put another line break. I like to put them at the start of the string if I can. I want to put one between the chomps and the stat. Between the gets rather than the stats. I think I could just like put the line there, I guess. It's not pretty. Should probably put one here. Here's the endangered species. We want to learn about the tiger. Here's about the tiger. Let's get some more information. I want to get a way to wrap this. Like, it's gonna wrap to whatever the size of the console is, but like, I would like it to break on white space rather than just in the middle of a word, but I'm not sure if there's an easy way to do that. I was looking at this gem here, word wrap. But like, that's gonna break it at a specific spot no matter what. So like, it's probably still gonna end up breaking depending on the size of the, well, if the console is wider than, or smaller than whatever I set it to, it's still gonna break on that line. I don't know, let's put it in, let's see what it does. Let's play with it a little bit. So we'll put it in our gem spec as a runtime dependency. Word wrap. one. Install word rep. And I think I'll need to require it here. Go down to the description. Yeah, I was trying to write justify it and see if that would do it, and it didn't. How should I use this? Word wrap. In the shell, I don't want to use it in the shell. I want to use it in my word wrap library. Did it add it there? Did it extend the string class? Let's try wrap. Look at how they did that. Alright, so it takes just say 10. Let's see what that does. Oops. Undefined method wrap for string. String extensions are optional. Yeah, I'd have to actually open up the string class myself, which I don't really feel like doing for this. Let's just do, yeah. Acquire word wrap. Okay, so go in the front of the string. Go word wrap pass in that string. And is it doing? Okay, so it's doing by character, not by word count. Let's see how it's going to do 5. It should give me every single word on like its own line. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, yeah. As expected. Okay, so let's say 50. One more. That's not bad. You know what would be good if we don't join these strings, because then it's gonna maybe work nicely. No, it still gives me the array. I'm gonna want to join it, but I'm gonna add a line break there, so we get a little bit more separation between each of the descriptive elements. Actually, I want to join it with the new line and a tab. Okay. Getting better. Let's make it a little longer. Let's say 100 characters. Oh. What? That's not good. 100 characters is wider than my screen. That's the problem. My console window. Let's see. You know, I think it defaults to 80. Let's see what it happens if I just pass it with no arguments. That's pretty good. I like that. It gives me some separation. I think I might want one additional line break in between each one. There we go. That's much better. Good gem. Pasdera. Good, good. doing exactly what I want it to do. I mean, I know that parentheses are optional. I like to have them just because it makes it a little less ambiguous for people coming from other languages. Alright, so we got our description coming out nicely. Let's add a tab here. Kind of get everything formatted somewhat similarly. What I would like it to be able to do is like wrap that second line, you know, how you would expect it in like a Word doc or something. Or I want to have that aligned, but I don't really want to mess with that. Like, that's a nice thing to have, but it's really not necessary right now. I'm going to color our prompts so that they are obviously prompts, because like this is a lot of information to be coming out all one note like that. So I was also looking at this rainbow gem here. Where's the link? On GitHub. By Sickle. It's a good amount of stars, much more stars than the word wrap, and the word wrap thing really worked for me. I don't even know about that. 3.0, Ruby gem. Colored, wrap it with rainbow, call it with color. I mean, that's pretty nice. Got color, got backgrounds, underline, bright, that's nice. Foreground, background, blink, that's wild. It's the refinements version. If you want to use the refinements version, you can require rainbow refinement. I don't know what refinements is. Yeah, let's install it and play with it. Our rainbow. Where's our first prompt? List animals. Here are the endangered animals. Puts rainbow dot text color. Alice blue. Let's try that one. Oop. Every time. So that is brighter, which is interesting, but it's not Alice blue. Rainbow presenter adds the following methods. So what's red? Okay, that worked. I don't know what. Maybe Alice blue is just what that is. Well. Actually, what I might want to do is do like have kind of a red there. Since I'm always telling them what commands they can enter, what if I just color that command bit? Although some people have trouble with red. So and blue on some terminals can be really dark. Let's try aqua. That's a nice color. Looks green almost. Didn't realize that was the color for the green. They have a green. What's that green look like? That's like, the aqua's a little lighter. That's nice for me. Okay, so let's, here's another one. Will be formatted the same. Oh, what's nice now is this can be string literal. Oh, no, it can't. I mean, I could escape the apostrophes, but I don't want to. And then let's differentiate these bits also. Definitely stands out a little better. Yeah. I wonder what different colors would look like there. I mean, if you say so, that's silver. Yellow, blue, Indian red. It can't be, you see. Yeah, that doesn't work anyway. I wonder if it's... No, because I picked up aqua, and aqua is not one of these ANSI colors. X11 colors. I wonder if that's what it's doing. Try pale green. Made it bright. Here's light. Yeah, it's not picking them up. Let's just go with bright. You know what? Let's try a different terminal. See what that looks like. No. Oh gosh, where even am I? Yeah, I'm in the F. Dangerous issues. I actually don't even know if I have Ruby installed in Windows. So this... Why is my gem spec showing up there. Oh, there. Sorry, Windows. Yeah, I don't even know how I would begin to run Ruby files and or bash file, whatever this is right now. Yeah, Windows. Oh well, let's I mean, that's not terrible. Should we put a line break between, yeah, here are the data species? Well, this should definitely have a colon, that's for sure. And that's, I don't know, line. Gosh. I hate having to change these things to, it's just to put a line break, an extra line break, I suppose. Let's do color the attribute. Attribute dot. Let's try blue and see what it does. Oh, you know what? Let's here. I can run it in here. I forgot that I'm running oh my zish. I don't know how you say Z shell. I've only ever seen it read or written. It's a weird word. Yeah, see, that's what I was afraid of. That blue is like impossible to read. And also, what is this weird formatting? What's going on? Oh, it's not weird formatting, that's just how it is. You know what I should do is see if I can line these up. I don't know. I would want to pad this string on the left with whatever the difference is between the longest key and the shortest key, or the longest key and the current key, so that they all start on the same thing. I don't know if we can try it. I don't know if I'm going to want to keep it once I get it there, because like, definitely try it though. That would be the left justify. Left justify. How would I would have to get the longest attribute name. And then I don't know if I want to go down that path right now. That's a nice thing to have. We have a functional gem right now. We don't need to add that just yet. But let's definitely change this blue to cyan, maybe. Yeah, you know, I think that's okay. Let's change the index color as well. Yeah, that's great. I mean, it's not... You know, red really shows up in... I guess just as many people struggle with red as they do with green. Look at this. I had an example here. I can change the background color of a thing too, but like, I don't like how that looks. Definitely don't want to wrap everything or underline everything. Yeah, that looks in this weird shell. I think it's weird shell is not fair. This is just C shell without my Z shell stuck on it. And like, that's fine. I'm happy with it. Let's get some more info on these tigers. Good tiger info. Let's go back. Let's find out about the whale. Some more whale information. Go back to the list. Check out the rhino. Not a lot of information on the rhino. Alright, let's get out of here. Let's leave this open. Well, I got this output formatted well enough for a 1.0. Or what version do I have? 0.1. I mean, this is gonna be 1.0, right? Yeah, guess. Lot change. Let's do a quick lint. Yeah, that could be a single quoted string. Select 200 on an animal. Use 2, not 4 spaces for indentation. Oh, this whole guy. Yep. Inside of interpolations prefer single quoted strings. Okay, so I guess we'll escape those anyway. So line 43. Line 33. Oh, yeah. Alright, so it doesn't like how much stuff we're doing in these methods. Yeah, so what I really want to do is I want to rename this to put animal info, and I want to pull this out. I want it to be something like more prompt for more info. I'll call it prompt for more info there. Is there a branch condition for put ample info? Yeah, why is there a puts there? Don't. So if I want to break it up before I list here are the endangered species. Which animal would you like more information about? They put in a number. And then I put that. Yeah, that's really more of what I want, but assignment branch condition size for putting out info is too high. I suppose it shouldn't be selecting these attributes. If this is called put animal info, it should get the animal info and it should put it. So this needs to be pulled out into its own method. Right. So, well, okay, so regardless, animal info should receive an animal. And that animal's attribute should be put. Scrap animal info, you see that? So put animal info should have an animal, it should put the info. It probably shouldn't even prompt for more info. Similarly, scrape animal info shouldn't scrape and call the put. I should have like an animal info controller or something. Something needs to control this whole flow. We have to have an animal info. Maybe in the scrape animal info, we can have animal info that gets it. Gonna pass it there. Wait, I'm doing this wrong. need to look at this. Select animal info. Or animal attributes. Takes an animal. So like, that is right. And then I do need to just pass in that one animal, because those attributes have been assigned to the object itself. And then I need to prompt for more info. I think it's not a good pattern to have like a verb, or like an ER verb or whatever at the end of your method, because like I remember watching a talk by DHH or someone that was like, if your methods have action verbs, like, then they're not designed correctly, or they're designed, or you're going to trick yourself by trying to use them in a different way than you make them later or something. I don't remember. Anyway, I just moved a lot of stuff around. Let's see what happened and what broke. Yeah. And the final variable num. I have to pass it all the way through. This sucks. I was really not wanting to do this. I'm gonna do it for now, and then we're gonna see if maybe we can figure out a better way. Oh, wait, actually. Prompt for more info. I mean, it's not much different. It's gonna have to look it up every time. Let's get it working, and then we'll refactor it as we go. This is all panda stuff, right? Yep. Let's get a couple extra lines there. Let's get those up here. No? Some extra data there when I script, I guess. In any case, put animal info, assign a branch condition is probably acceptable. Info handler. List animals. did I do this? Why was I not able to just tack on another line break there? Here are the endangered species. No? What if it is another one? Like, I'm not happy with that. And like, that's not much better. What I really want to do is Ruby like, what is the best way to deal with the user's input? Arc being yeah, I mean, that's still the case. Yeah, I know about gaps. I know about new line. I'm not going to be getting multiple arguments. I'm going to be getting one thing. I guess it's like well, it's not nested. Suppose I could just have a bunch of returns. Using guard clauses. Let's try that. Ooh, that's not useful anything. still gonna need an if because I'm gonna want to do either these two things or nothing. And that's still a little cleaner, I think. What? Yeah, that's true. I wonder if I always could do that. I haven't tried. Yeah, I wonder if I could always do that, because I knew I had thought about it. So if I'm here, I mean, there's no reason why I can't. Okay, see. That's what I would expect. Because it's having its own input handler and prompt for more info. That should be. Oops. Could always do that. I need to make sure that that change I just made didn't break anything. Where's that? More, no, prompt for more info. I guess I don't need to return there. List, okay. Get more info. Cool. Oh wow, I forgot to comment that out this whole time. Alright, so if it's a number, in this case, it's still working like we want. If it is list, we're getting a list. Let's exit, we get goodbye, that's good. If we get garbage, I like that pattern better than that pattern. And it's probably not preferred to be that way, but I think it's cleaner than. I hate else ifs. I hate conditionals in general. Like, well, I like this guard condition. Guard conditions look clean to me. When you can't use a ternary, you know. Let's see if RuboCop likes that any better. Trailing white space on goodbye. Oops. Brain condition. List animal. Seriously? Like, what do you want from me? Well, at least it's not saying that the method is too long now. Now it's just saying the branch conditions is too high. So they select animal attributes. What's it not like there? Select animal attributes. Branch conditions too high. It's selecting them. It shouldn't be assigning them, and it shouldn't be opening the page. It should select animal attributes. Should be past a page. It should be past a page, and then it should return the attributes, and something else should be assigning those attributes. So animal info handler should be calling it could be called select animal attributes, and then I'll pull this out into a scrape animal attributes method. We'll say scarp. Scrape attributes. It's going to receive a doc. It's going to get them. This is a good use for tap. I love using tap. Tap. Do attributes. Let's say attributes. I would like to have initialized it. You know, I bet you I can still initialize it in there, like so. We'll find out here in a minute. See if this works. Did a lot there. That works. Cool. Alright. Let's make this a little nicer looking. I guess that's fine having it all along, but it works. So now select animal attributes, pass the animal, gets the doc, scrapes the attributes, passes it to assign attributes. Yeah, man, that works. Let's see if RoboCop is happy now. He is. Still doesn't like that list animals. I mean, it's not wrong. Like, a method called list animals should list the animals. It shouldn't be I guess it's just like it's only one thing, you know? But that it is doing that one thing. So I guess that's fine. Let's try that. Trailing white space. 26. Where's 26 now? I mean, it's happy. Are we happy? Whoa? No such entry in dir stack. Oh. It just quit. Why did it quit? So it lists the animals. Oh, because it's returning list animals, not animal list. Whoa. Did not realize I could do that. What the heck? Animal list handler. Animal list handler. Yeah, if you ever get confused about why something is doing a thing, read your code, and it's probably doing exactly what you told it to do. Alright, so now I have an animal list handler, which says stuff, lists the animals, and then says stuff, and then calls the menu again. To go with my animal info handler, which gets the animal info, puts it, and prompts for more info. Okay. View our sea turtle infographic. We don't have a sea turtle infographic. My scrapers keeps getting extra data at the end of the page, and I don't really want to deal with that right now. Where's sea turtles? Sea turtle. I mean, that's the problem with like trying to make a generic scraper, is like you can't trust that whoever built this website is going to be consistent in their content that they put on here. Like, what's up with the sea turtle infographic? Is it good? Is it a good sea turtle infographic? Gray star waters and ocean waters and most are endangered. I didn't know they eat jellyfish. That's cool. Clams and sea urchins. Sea grass. Dang, there's a lot of turtles. Well, I guess the problem is that there's not enough turtles. Dang. Sorry about you guys, turtles. Support sea turtle ecotourism. Oh, I didn't know that. Look at those little guys. Oh man. Sorry, I got distracted to learn about turtles. It's fine that it has a little bit of extra information that's not really applicable. People can go to the website. This is just for a quick scrape. What I don't like is that there, which means joined it. How's that line break? Where's WAS? No, see, that one has a space. I don't know. Let's not worry about that right now. What were we doing? We were linting. We were seeing if we made RuboCop happen. Find branch condition is too high for menu. Trailing white space. That's true. Oops. Alright, so how can we... The problem is, I guess, is that I'm accepting... What would this look like if it was just a case statement? So if it would be like case input when, could I do input dot 2i greater than 0? Do that. I'm not sure if that's going to work, and then when let's duplicate it. Animal list handler when exit goodbye. Method to my line. Let's just show. Work. Yeah, it's not going to take. Yeah, I don't think I'm happy with this at all. I don't want to do that. I don't want to even take the time to get it to work because I think it's gross. Now that this is much prettier. Man, do they really not have that information about the dolphins? Species. Got dolphins and porpoises up here. They've got habitat. That's it. I wonder if this... I mean, this site must still be in development. What's up with this dolphin? Yeah, Amazon River. It's got its own... The Amazon River dolphin has tons of information compared to catch-all porpoises and dolphins. Dolphins and porpoises. Look at that little turtle. What happened there? Learn about the dolphins. If I hit exit animal on our list. It's not more than list animals. List animals just lists. I need to go back to the animal list handler, not list animals this way. Nothing should be calling list animals except for the animal list handler. Okay, cool. Yeah, that was a close one. That was gonna fly right under the radar. Okay, that's better. Okay, so we have our CLI formatted. I think we've got RuberCup even happy. Oh, no, that's right. It doesn't like. Nobody likes this method, RuberCup. Let's see what we did today so far. Gem file. We bumped our version. Added word wrap. Added rainbow. I need to include rainbow in the gem spec. There we go. Oh, let's add a little bit to that. README. Add the new dependencies. Not that bad. Did a lot of work on the CLI. Pulled some methods out. Separated concerns a little bit. That's right, we wrote the scraper, separated those concerns. Alright. Since we're still rejected. Different branches behind. What? Oh. Fix conflicts. This will be fun. I'm gonna use mine because I remember now what I did remotely, and I thought I had pulled it. Oh. Open through text editor. Decide if you want to keep the removed file. You may want to view the latest change made. Head. Current change. That's me. That's that. I don't want the incoming change. I want the current change. Yeah. And I had changed list animals, but I pulled all of that stuff out, so I want to do my change. Okay, so all right. I think that's good. Let's check out. Oops. That's a big change, big commit. Alright, so what's next? Now I think we need to, I mean, we got it working, we got it in a good state. I think now we just need to prepare to publish it. Let's take a break, and we'll come back in about 10 minutes, probably less. So I'm going to change that real quick. Checkbox. BRB. Back. Say 7:15. That's locked. That's unlocked. Nope. Clearly I'm good at this. Alright. live. I also should check my microphone automatic. Make sure that's working. Test. Okay, that sounds good. I'm gonna change that time since I'm only now leaving. So it's 1:20. All right. toasty. Alright, where were we? Okay, so we had just committed our latest changes. I think we are in a good spot to learn how to publish our gem. Sorry, just my blanket is freezing in here. Publishing your gem. Now that you've created your gem, share it. Serving your own gems. No, I don't want to serve it. I want to publish it to Ruby Gems. Create an account on Ruby Gems. Sign up. I'm going to do this over here so that nothing is sent out over the internet that I don't want. Password is too short. It's 10 characters. Gotta answer the confirmation email. As soon as they send one to me, which email did I use? That might be the problem. Gosh, how fun is it to watch somebody find something in their email off screen? Probably not very. Ah, jeez. This is stream poison. What a terrible sequence of events. It's just not showing up in my email. Maybe is it spam? It is the spam. Gotta check the spam. Not spam. Okay, let's go back. Gems.org. Confirm email address. Email address has been verified. Alright. Refresh. Alright, we are in. Alright. Simplest way is via the gem install command. Create an account. Create an account, use your email and password, pushing the gem. So it's just gem push, the name, the gem, and the version. Okay, so what I'm going to want to do is make sure my README and everything is set up. And this is stuff that I'd commented out a long time ago. Prevent pushing this gem to rubygem.org. To allow pushes, either set the allowed push host or delete this section to allow pushing to any host. Yeah, let's just delete all that. Now let me push it there, right? Fine. That's a license, MIT license. Good. Code of conduct. Contribute covenant. Seems like a good code of conduct. Sure, I want to read this. But if at the very bottom it was like, also you have to be a terrible person. Wouldn't want to push that. Oh, that's cool. I didn't know you could do that. Alright, code of conduct looks good. Let me pull pry out of the development dependencies. Because, like, that's a personal thing, you know? And then actually want that to change my gem file to pull pry out of it. Cool, it did. I don't want to submit this with like unnecessary packages, you know. I have no tests, but I want to have tests in the future, so we'll leave our spec in there. Setup, species, console, that's all good. Right now we are focused on other stuff. Don't care about spec, don't care about bin. I don't want to push this notes out. For sure. Once we get all this ready to push or publish or whatever, we'll want to commit all these changes again. Open a new gem, the structure you'll find the files needed to package. Alright, so our description. Use that as a base. just get a quick first draft out here. That's fine. Usage instructions. What's the usage gonna be like? I mean, the usage is gonna be I was reading the rest of all of this. Everything else looks chill. I think you just need to add usage instructions. So post install, it will be. How did they? Is it just based on the tabs? It's just tab. I wonder. Oh, is it the? Yeah. Okay. Follow the prompts, right? That's a better way to say that. We'll put a GIF of GIF, whichever of samples interaction here. In fact, maybe we'll make one right now. Yeah, actually, instead of follow the prompts, we'll put a GIF there. Yeah, let's get we did no. Oh gosh. Sorry. How do I go into my Z shit? Not sure. Hey, publish it, and then we'll go to clean directory and we'll install it. And then we can take a screen capture there. In any case, that should be fine. Let's try it. What else did we change? Deleted notes. Remove prime from the gem file. Or gem spec. And now it should be about ready to publish. I just push it, right? Squid Utils. That's such a good name. That makes sense. Publish my gem. Am I right back where I was? Yeah. Oh, I wonder if I can do that. Well, you gonna do it? Any day now. I spelled it wrong. Break aborted. Push to get commits and tags. Your Ruby gem.org is gonna run gem push to set them. Okay, gem push, set them. while executing gem. Oh, so now can I do gem push gem? That. What on earth? Okay. Gem set Ruby gems. Alright, here we go. Let me see what this reg file is doing. The problem is I'm not paying, or I don't know what's happening. Well, that's not really helpful. Let's try this doing this bundling. Alright, I mean the package exists. Do I need to point to package? There we go. Adding, but I don't have permission to manage this gem. Let me look at what it was over here that I did not read and just deleted, as if it didn't matter. Let me go back a commit. Push host, homepage, source. Yeah, so it's not that. Let me look at gem owner command. How do I set the owner? And root owners with gem. Well, now that I have my credentials in there, maybe this will work. Do not have permission to push the gem. Ask you in order to add you. Try that. So you do not have permission to manage this gem. Don't look at my shell, guys. My path. There must be a gem that already exists with this name. I wonder if they're doing the same. March 20th. Gen. Wonder is that GitHub? Nope. Where's the source? Okay, so rename Rails application. No, that's not what I want to do. What do you want to? How to name gems. There is no mechanism for renaming gems. Okay, so in the gem spec, just change the name. Can anybody just like claim Ruby gems and accounts? Okay. So now if I release it, it'll probably make me the owner. Right, it's becoming first. That makes sense. Let's do the README. Alright, so now we renamed our gem, committed those changes, now we can publish it. Tag already created, pushed. Alright, let's see if it exists. Endangered species 2. Gem endangered species. Oh gosh. Gems endangered species. Hey, here we go. We did it. We published a gem. It exists on GitHub. Why was there not a repository for that other one? Page documentation. Ruby. Yeah, I wish I could see like anything about this gem. Anyway, here's the one we just made right now. Alright, I'll put bring me right there. It's because I added the repository in the gem spec, which is why that auto-populated here. The gem spec, yeah. Okay. So we have a published gem, which means if we go to we'll go there and then we'll make their gem test. Gem test empty. If I do endangered species, nothing should happen. But if I do gem install endangered species 2, and now I do endangered species. Dang. So I need to figure out how to get that to run just like that. If I do bin endangered species. Nope. Alright, let's figure out how to do that now. Yep. Need to add it to the execute to the path. How to get it to run. So we've got our command here. We've got the environment. I'm looking at a someone else's gem spec to see if I guess I could pull that over here. So I have somebody else's gem here that they have published that's similar to how mine is set up. It doesn't tell me how it's added to the path. Big merge conflicts.
Wind is 20014. The effective course is 8 from the left.
Well, if we go, well, yeah, I guess it, what do we name that? Gem test. So they've created an executable file. So when it's installed, yeah, I have an executable. Oh, that's what I need. Do they have that in their gem spec? Yeah. Duh. Okay. So go to our gem spec. Wow. What an effort they did. And do that. How did they do it? They just have a name. Endangered species. Alright, so now it should work. I'm going to need to publish it again. So I'm going to need to bump the version and commit. Where are my Qt version? There it is. So let's do that. And let's commit, and then we'll take a quick break. What am I doing? Just about that, just about that. Publish. Actually, let's just take a quick break here. Alright, sorry about that. Here we are. We just pushed our latest commit. Hopefully this will pick up our new, or our old executable. Never remember right commands. Bundle exec rake. Bundle exec rake release. Break aborted. exe/endangered. So does it want me to just put endangered species in an exe file or folder? I think that's what it's trying to tell me. Let's try that, because that would make sense as to all of their business if they were doing. Let's move that over there. That's new. It's picking that up as a Ruby file now. It wasn't doing that before. And so, yeah, let's look at this. So spec.files is in dir. Oh, let's see, split. Object. Matches all of those things. Just everything at exe. So pull that out. Move the file over to that. Now, it shouldn't yell at me. Push git commit and tags. Push the new gem. Okay, so let's pop back over here. Gem install. Well, I guess I can just there. Danger species 2. Fetching. Bin and path. Oh, did it right to the path last time? Yeah, it did. It's got version 1, it's got version 1.1, Dane. Yeah! Run, dang it. I got impatient. Yes! Here are the endangered species. You know what it is? Tell me about the leopard. Those are some good facts. Let's get some more facts. Let's go back to the list. Find out about the bonobo. And some more. Let's do it. Awesome. We got it. Got our gem published. It's installable via gem install endangered species 2. I need to change that actually. I mean, that's good enough for what we need. And then from here we can just enhance it, you know? It's like, it's functional, it's running. Let's push these changes to readme. That's not a word, change. Had all the right letters, just they were all in the wrong order. It's weird how your brain does that sometimes. We have a gem published. We need to go star that word wrap gem. That word wrap. Because, like, it was helpful for me. I'm glad that it existed. And it was very clean and simple and light and did exactly what it said it would do. We got a gem now. Let's look at our project requirements. Alright, here we go. README. Contains the following sections. A short description. That works. Install instructions. Add this line to your gem file or install it. Yep. A contributor's guide. Yep. A link to the license. MIT license. That's on. CLI Essentials. Have a CLI for interfacing with the application. That's true. Pulls data from an external source. That's true. Implement both a list and detail views. That's true. We've got our list here. We've got our detail view here. We've got more details. Application is pretty dry. The next requirement. I don't think I'm repeating myself anywhere. I think everything that can be extracted to its own method has been extracted. Yeah, I think this is all pretty dry. Alright, Ruby Essentials. Basic control flow, how if statements work. That is covered in the menu, and prompt for more info. Variable scopes. Method, instance, and class. Definitely got the scopes. Object instantiation. Nothing instantiated here, but in the scraper I do create new animals. Animal new. There's some object instantiation for you. The meaning of self. Yeah, that's out there. Method types. Class versus instance methods. That's definitely covered. Method return types. Knowing what methods return. How did I display that? Probably. Well, I did assign some methods directly to variables and use those. That would show that I know what these methods are returning. We'll call that good. Iterating through collections, at least using each with a block. Yeah, got each there, each there. Should this be? No. I've got a map somewhere, remember that? Yeah, I iterate through collections. Project requirement review checklist. I've met all of those requirements, but I'm not going to submit it yet because I still need to record a walkthrough of interacting with the gem, and I need to make a blog post about it, I think. Yeah, and so all of that, that can all be done offline, probably. It's probably not interesting to watch somebody write a blog post. But there you go. Building a Ruby gem from start to finish in 4 parts. And what did we get to? 8.5 hours. but we learned a lot along the way. $19 downloads? I downloaded it once. This thing's been alive for like 10 minutes. 22 downloads? What on... what? There must be like... You know, there's probably all sorts of things that are just like download all gems that are published just to look at them or something. That seems wild to me. Even like one download that wasn't mine seems like it would be wild to me. So, don't look at my Discord. Anyway, that is a mostly finished product. I'm going to record a video because the program wants me to, of walking through using the gem, and then I'm also going to make a GIF and just put it right there in the description that shows it in use. And then that's gonna be it, I think. I wonder if, well, come on. Yeah, so there's nothing in there. So is it just usable anywhere? Yeah, it sure is. I installed it everywhere. Alright, gem, oops, exit. Let me do gem test. Let me go back here, just so I'm hanging out. Gem remove endangered. Unknown commit gem h. How to uninstall a gem? Because I want to uninstall it and then make sure it goes away. Gem uninstall. What did I do? Gem remove. Gem uninstall. Endangered species 2. Okay. Wait. Oh. All versions. Yes, remove executables. So now endangered species should give me nothing. It doesn't. Cool. So now gem install endangered species 2 installed endangered species. Brings me right back. Awesome. Cool, cool, cool. Awesome. Well, that's that. Right? That is a completed project. Well, I guess we shouldn't call it completed until the blog post is written, videos posted, and all that. But that's it for today. Tomorrow is when we'll write the blog post and record the GIF and the walkthrough. Thanks for hanging out.